FHA or conventional loan? Which one should you choose? If you're buying a home, this decision can save or cost you literally thousands. Let's break it down. Hey there, I'm Christina Sparks, realtor with Real Broker, owner, House of Sparks. Listen, I'm just here to help buyers understand their financing options so they can make the right moves, the smart moves. Today, we're going to compare FHA versus conventional loans, the pros, the cons, and which one might be a better fit for you and your situation financially. First of all, what is an FHA loan? FHA loans are government-backed mortgages designed to help people with the lower credit scores and or smaller down payments. You can buy with as little as 3.5% down and credit scores as low as 580. Okay, FHA highlights the lower credit requirement, the smaller down payment, more lenient on past financial issues such as bankruptcy. All right, what is a conventional loan? Conventional loans are not backed by the government, but they can offer better long-term savings if your credit and finances are pretty strong. These loans typically require a 620 and up credit score and typically 3 to 5% down payment, and that's a minimum. Conventional highlights. Conventional loans are better for high credit borrowers. There is no upfront mortgage insurance, and it can save more money over the life of the loan. All right, now let's get into the big difference between FHA and conventional loans, the mortgage insurance. Now, if you don't know anything about mortgage insurance and FHA, here is a video to FHA specific loans and what that mortgage insurance looks like. So for this video, what are the mortgage insurance differences between an FHA loan and a conventional loan? Here's where it gets kind of interesting. FHA loans always come with mortgage insurance, and it sticks around for the entire life of the loan unless you refinance to a conventional loan. With a conventional loan, you'll also pay mortgage insurance if you put less than 20% down, but it can be removed once you hit that 20% equity. Big win for conventional on this one. So the big question, which is better, FHA or conventional? Honestly, it depends on your specific situation. Go with an FHA loan if you're a first-time home buyer, you've had some credit challenges, and or you need help with a smaller down payment. Go with a conventional loan if you've got great credit, 680 and up, if you plan to stay in the home long term, and you want to avoid permanent mortgage insurance. Honestly, the best loan is the loan that fits your goals, your credit, your budget, whichever one is good for your specific situation. Talk with a local lender and work with a great agent who can help you compare your options and what best fits your needs. If you're ready to get pre-approved or just want to talk through your options, let's chat. I work with a great network of Springfield lenders and would love to help you get started. There is a link to lender recommendations down in the description box. Like this video if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips every single week. Have questions? Feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help any way that I can. Have a great day.